This is our flat in Mongkok. This is first floor, room H. This is the entrance. This is the gate. And then inside the room is full of cabinets. We have lots of things can put here. And then we have fan, and then we have TV, and then we have another cabinet, and then AC. And then we have a good lighting here. We have a window. Then we have washing machine. And then we have a cabinet on the kitchen. You can cook here any kind of meal. And then this is our dining table. And then we have a refrigerator. And then we have also a cabinet for space for the things. And then the toilet, they can do their taking a bath here, and then shower, and then we have a heater, and then we have a good sink. We have soaps, toothpaste, everything they need, and then they can wash their clothes. And then for the bedroom, we have a big bedroom. For the room 1, we have a big cabinet also, and then we have fan, we have desk, and then we have good lighting here, and then we have AC. We have windows. And then for the bed, this is a I think queen size bed. You can sleep 2 people here. And then here is another cabinet. So, and then if too much, we can also have extra cushion can put here. One people can sleep here. And then for the another room, inside the room, we have computer for if they want to go online. And then we have cabinet also, a big cabinet, lights, windows, and AC. And this is a single bed. This is a double deck bed with a single bed on each. The first one, this is the first one. So we have a fan, and then on the second bed, this is the second bed. So you need to go up, and then on the second bed, this is a single bed also. 1 people can sleep here. So, and then outside, we have a sofa bed. For sofa bed, 2 people can sleep here. And then near the television, there's a still space. If really full, we can accommodate 1 more people sleeping here on the space. We can provide another cushion here. So total of 8 people can sleep here. So thank you.